on, y'all? I'm back again today with another quick unboxing and review video. Let's go ahead and jump right into this 5x1 fast charging station. Looks like you can do your phone, your Apple Watch, your AirPods, and you can actually plug in devices on the side. This thing looks awesome. Let's dive right in. So in the box, looks like it's packed real well in here. Looks like you have the cables in here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Here's that bad boy. All right, I'm going to play with it for a little bit. I'll give you my thoughts. Hey, y'all, so I've been using this for about 4 or 5 hours now, and I have to say I am impressed. The way everything is built here, there's some nice rubber padding on here for it not to slip. It has air vents underneath to protect from any overheat, which is real nice for the safety. And on top of that, everything charges very fast here. So they're all fast chargers. They're 18-watt chargers as well. I love in the back where you can put those tablets on there, have them nice and tilted up. And then, of course, the phone here. It also comes up with the extra charging cables, too, which is a really good feature. Definitely go ahead and check this out. It's a great deal, y'all. I love it, and I use it now for everything.